So, hello everyone. If you have just finished your LLB and wondering what to do next, do not worry, I've got you covered. There are a lot of opportunities after you finish your LLB. First is litigation. So, first up, you can become an advocate and you can start practicing in courts, work under a senior lawyer, and build your own career in litigation. Second is corporate law. Then, if you're not a fan of courtrooms, no problem. You can work with big companies as a corporate lawyer. You can draft contracts, handle mergers, and ensure compliance. Third is judiciary. So, if you want to be a judge, you can clear the judicial service exam and then you are on your way to the bench. Fourth is legal advisor and consulting. So, many business and startups need legal advisors. So, you can be their go to legal expert and help them stay on the right side of the law. Fifth is higher studies, whether it is LLM, UPSC, etc. So, if you want to study more, you can go for a LLM specialized in a particular field like IPR, cyber law, human rights, or many other field, or even crack UPSC if you want to become an IPS, IAS, or even you can go for other competitive exams like IBPS, SEBI, RBI. So there you can get a position of a legal officer. Then sixth is non-traditional paths. If you love writing or you love to do content creation, then you can become a legal journalist, legal educator, or even start your own YouTube channel like me. So law opens up many doors. So the most important thing is do what interests you the most. So which career excites you the most is the most important thing. So tell me in the comment which career excites